Hello beautiful, this is Kira Secret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below. Like, share and follow. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free of charge. Subscribe so that you will see updates all of my new recipe. Happy New Year once more to all my amazing subscribers. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless your business. Yes, guys. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kira Secret Skincare. Also follow us on our new logistic page at Kira Secret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL, through cargo. We generate tracking number for you to track your goods. 3 to 5 working days, your goods will get to you at your doorstep. Let Mommy Kira ship for you. We are the #1, the champion. Also, you can shop on my website at www.kirasecretlogistics. Our Snow White is there. Our Molato is there. Our 𝐂𝐻𝐿 is there. Our Arabian set is there. All of our skincare products is on the website. It's very fast. Okay. Also, we also sell original branded product. Now you chatting me up on WhatsApp, Mommy Kira, how much is this? How much is that? Just go to the website. All prices is there. If you don't know how to shop on the website, send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll send you a short video on how you can shop on the website. It's very easy and fast. Okay, very easy and fast. I love you guys so much. Go to the website and shop. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this amazing strong whitening Molato extreme whitening soap. This soap is very, very strong and it's strong whitening. I'm making over 30 kg for my customer. Guys, if you're a producer or if you're a skincare seller, you produce this, let Mommy Kira also produce for you. It's not everything you produce. Okay, if you want us to produce, just chat me up on WhatsApp for that. If you are really ready for Mommy Kira to produce for you, I've grated my whitening soaps. Okay, I've grated all the soap. You can use any soap of your choice, any whitening soap of your choice. Okay, and grate it, put it inside your clean bowl, sterilize it very well. You understand me? This 30 kg I'm making it for a customer in the USA. Okay, I just say let me film it and show you guys. You know I love you guys. You can use any whitening soap of your choice if you want to produce it yourself. But if you don't want to go through that stress, chat Mommy Kira. Mommy Kira will do that. Then I'm using our 𝐕 strong whitening shower bath. This shower bath is strong whitening. Guys, you can go to the website. This 𝐕 strong whitening shower bath is on the website. You can buy it and use it. You can use it like that, or you can use it to make your soap, or you can get any shower bath of your choice and use it to soak your soap. You can see as I'm doing it. I'm soaking the Molato extreme whitening soap. I'm soaking it very well so that all the ingredients in this 𝐕 strong whitening shower bath will incorporate with the soap I've grated. Like I said, you can use any soap of your choice or any shower bath. Okay, you can use it and soak your soap. You can see it. Then I just put it like that. I have to soak this for 5 days. Some people soak it for 3 days, some 4 days. It depends on how you want your Molato soap to be. Okay, I'm soaking mine for 5. Then I soak it for 5 days. These 5 days that I'm soaking it, I want all the shower bath, all the ingredients inside the shower bath to incorporate inside the grated soap. Like I said, you can use any grated soap of your choice or any whitening shower bath. Okay, that is why I incorporated everything. Okay, yeah, now I'm putting my Snow White powder. Okay, I just put in my 𝐂𝐍𝐿 powder. Okay, I just put in my 𝐵𝐷𝐿 powder. Okay, I also put my 𝐴𝐵𝐷𝐿 powder. You can see as I'm doing it step by step. Okay, this is Secret White strong whitening serum. This Secret White strong whitening serum is the #1, the champion. This Secret White strong whitening serum has really helped my production game. If you don't want to white, don't use this Secret White strong whitening serum on your product. It's super effective. You don't need to start putting different type of product inside. Okay, this is the Secret White strong whitening oil. This is the Secret White strong whitening oil, so that it will moisturize and whiten the skin. Okay, this product is the #1, the champion. You don't have to start putting different type of so many concentrates and so many oils. all those things will spoil your client's skin. If you want to use the product, use one particular product. Okay, this I'm putting propylene glycol inside the soap. You can see I'm making a voice over. I have to be fast so that I can explain very well. We're putting propylene glycol inside for moisturizing. Okay, we're putting German Plus. This will help the shelf life of this soap to stay up to 3 years, guys. What are you waiting for? Let Mommy Kira produce for you. I'm the number one, the champion. I produce and I give amazing recipe. Okay, this is the glycolic acid for exfoliating on the skin, so that no, this is a strong whitening soap. This Molato soap whitening the skin. It clears any dark spot, any blemishes out of the skin. Okay, this is our 𝐂𝐍𝐍𝐄. Okay, yeah, this is our 𝐂𝐿𝐍𝐍𝐄 and anti-reaction oil. Okay, I also added anti-reaction oil inside. Okay, so that any client that have white patches, it will clear it off. Guys, what are you waiting for? Let Mommy Kira produce for you. Okay, this 2025, you need to cash out. It's not everything you need to produce yourself. Okay, yes, it's not everything you need to produce yourself. Follow me on my Instagram so that you can see all of my display. Okay, then if you want to shop, go to my website at www.kirasecretlogistics.com. Everything I use is on the website. All the powders is on the website. I sell first grade powders, super effective. Guys, like and share my video. If you've watched up to this part, please like, just click on the like button. God will bless you and God will bless your family. You can see I'm stick blending it. You get me? I'm stick blending it. You know, you guys know Mommy Kira. I like producing in a big batch. Okay, and all my production are very fresh and neat. You understand, guys? Look at it. You can see the way I am stick blending. You can see it's very pasty, very strong, and very, very effective. What are you guys waiting for? Let Mommy Kira produce for you. Go to the website. Molato soap is on the website. Snow White soap is on the website. 𝐓𝐾 soap is on the website. Arabian Fairness Strong Whitening soap is also on the website. Go to the website. All prices are on the website. You can buy, package, and resell. Make more money, guys. If you're a big producer, get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, and the Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate. Use it and put it inside your skincare formulation. If you have old recipe, don't throw it away. Get it and add it, mix it, and it will be effective. Hello, beautiful. This is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. You know, this product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, to mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay? Chat the number up on the screen and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay? So that anybody that wants to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the number one, the champion. It's very, very effective. You can also buy in gallon. People that are promising, big promisers, okay? You can buy in gallon from 500 ml, from 1 liter, for 2.5, 5 liters, 10 liters. Those are for big producer. But if you want to be selling in bottles, it's not available in 125.